Today feels a little different. We're both moving a bit slower. After all the DIY projects lately, our energy is running low. I even got stung on the eyelid by a mosquito, and it's the first day of my cycle. So today we're embracing the slow pace. Rain taps slowly against the windows, blankets are wrapped tight, and the couch has never felt more inviting. We play a few games, sip on something warm, and let the day drift by. We did spend a little time this afternoon behind our desks. We are working on some short videos for our social media platforms and trying to share more of our little adventures there too. Some days are made for rushing, but today is made for slowing down, for quiet moments, and for just being.
Bluetooth connected.
Whatever. I don't mind.
A mix?
Sure. Is there a bowl? I don't think there's a bowl in this one.
I can give you this. Do you already have the...
Yes. Parmesan.
Want this?
Oh, it sticks to the bottom. Oh no. I'm making a mess. Sorry to all the Italians in the comments. We are mixing pastas. I really love this one. This brand of whole wheat. I really love this brand of whole wheat pasta. I feel like it's harder to find in Sweden. So I don't know why that is. At least at the ICA. No, all the stores, really. Which side do I use for the Parmesan? This one?
This one.
This one. The nutmeg side.
Yeah.
Or is it specifically for Parmesan? We treated ourselves to Parmesan cheese this week.
Yeah.
You almost never do that.
Or a small bag with
Yeah.
only a little bit.
Yeah. But this is cheaper. At least you get more for
Yeah.
basically the same amount of money. It's just a bit more work.
Yeah.
But that's okay. That's loud.
Yeah.
And my fingers are break.
You can make videos with guest sounds.
Yeah. That was a radio segment, right? I always found that very fun.
Pixel is laying like this on your blanket.
Cute. All the paws forward.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, that's a bright light. Leave me alone. Let me sleep. Boop. Boop. Two minutes. This game is a little bit loud.
Yeah.
This game is called Rainworms, which is perfect for a rainy cozy day.
Yeah.
So let's play a little bit.
That's 10. 15. too.
I'll do the horn now.
Are you sure?
No. Oh, yes, I am sure. Because this is already
Oh, wow.
25. Oh no, I'm gonna do 25
Yeah.
because there was just 2 worms.
Oh.
Hey, 3. You just need a 5.
Yeah.
Two
Only one
fives.
5.
Okay. What's that?
20. Oh, that's 26, right? Yeah, it's 26.
Yes, this is 26. I think I know.
Yeah. I have 4
2,
rainworms.
4, 6, 9. I have 12. Thank you. What? It was looking very bad for me in the beginning.
Yeah. And also good for me.
Yeah.
Today's video was a little bit different than normal.
Yeah. Let us know if you like this style of video or
Yeah.
if we need to just stick with our normal video style.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments what you think. It was a very cozy
Cozy video.
Yeah. Sorry, Pixel is
Yeah,
very
You
cute.
have to see Pixel.
Can you see? Do I need to take the pillow away?
Yeah, maybe. That one.
Look
Did
at
that
that. She's so chill.
Yeah.
She understands the message of the video. A very cozy and chill day. Right?
So let us know if you like this style of video.
Yes.
And that's it for today.
Yes. So thank you so much for watching.
Don't
Have a
forget
nice day.
to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.